Hi children, how are you all? I hope everyone are fine. So now coming to the point, today in this video, we are going to see an assignment on kingdoms, kings and an early republic. Then while children, let's start our assignment. So the first question is, which rivers flow through the Magadha? So you know Magadha is located in North India, right? So there are two rivers which flow through the Magadha, that is Ganga and Son river. So one is Ganga and Son. Now, let's take second question, children. Name of two powerful rulers of Magadha. So, answer is Bimbisara and Ajatasattu. So, second question answer is Bimbisara and Ajatasattu. Now, third question, children. What was the capital of Magadha? So, initially the capital is Rajgir, but later it shifted to Pataliputra, so which is present day Patna. Okay. Third question answer is initially Rajgir, but later it shifted to Pataliputra. So present day it is we call as Patna. Now let's take fourth question, children. What do you understand by Gana? Gana, which is a word used for group of members. So Gana means group of members. So the fourth question answer is Gana means group of members. In simple terms, we can say group. Now let's take fifth question, children. What do you understand by Sangha? Sangha means association or organization. So fifth question answer is Sangha, which means association or organization. Okay, children. Now let's take sixth question. Name the system of government in Vajji. Vajji, which is a capital with a Vaishali. So in Vajji, different form of governments are there, like Gana and Sangha. So here in question they asked, name the system of government. So different form of governments are there. So it is Gana and Sangha. Sixth question answer is Gana and Sangha. Okay. Now let's take few more questions. Now let's take seventh question, children. How were forests useful for the people of Magadha? So forests are very useful for the Magadha kingdom. Like elephants could be captured and trained for the army, and from forest they will collect wood for construction of building, houses and carts, chariots, etc. Okay. So seventh question answer is first elephants. Elephants. So they will use in the army, and the wood which is collect from the forest areas they will use for construction of buildings, houses, carts, chariots, etc. Now let's take eighth question, children. Eighth question now. When Alexander wanted to march further eastwards, his soldiers refused. Why? You know, children, Alexander, when he wanted to march further eastwards, so at that time soldiers they refused to go there. Why? Because they scared. Because Indian kings maintain vast armies having elephants, okay, chariots. So because of seeing this, the soldiers refused. Okay. So what is the eighth question answer? Because they scared They're scared. Why they scared? By seeing Indian kingdoms having vast armies, elephants, chariots, etc. Now let's take last question, 9 question, children. Who was Alexander? Name some places that were conquered by him. The answer is around 2300 years ago in Macedonia, there is a person who wanted to become as a world conqueror. Is none other than Alexander. So who was Alexander means? Alexander is a world conqueror. So 2300 years ago in Macedonia. And he captured the different places, regions like Egypt, West Asia and India. So 9th question answer is, so around 2300 years ago, Alexander is a world conqueror. World conqueror. So where is living? He is living in Macedonia. And which places he occupied? He occupied Egypt, West Asia and Indian subcontinent. Okay, children. So these are 9 question answers. I hope you are very clear with these answers. Thank you so much. Now signing off.